Hello and welcome to this GDS Lab tutorial 5.1.3 running a basic 1D consolidation test. In this video, we'll walk through the process of configuring a basic consolidation test with an emphasis on monotonic loading, axial velocity and axial load. So first make sure that your monotonic loading is selected from the test module list, and then you can select the correct parameter in the set block set. So we have the option of axial load and axial velocity. So we're going to go ahead and select axial velocity with a target of 0.05 millimeters over a minute. And then we've got our back pressure controls and maximum SS-Paw water pressure options that we can enable, but we're not going to use that for this example. And then you've also got the usual test termination conditions that you can use as well. Again, we're not going to use that in this example. Then we're going to go and click apply, then move on to another test of which we're going to select the same monotonic loading and then move to axial load. This time we're using axial load, we will use the initial value, so it will read the current value of axial load once this next test is started, and it will hold it there. And then we're going to make sure this stays there for 5 minutes using the optional test termination conditions. And again, you've got the optional sliders of back pressure control and maximum excess wall pressure. But again, we're going to go click apply and then view the test. So we're going to make sure that our graphs show axial displacement and axial load. And then we can go ahead and start the test. And then once we've started it, we can view it for a bit, which it will be showing small increments that it will rise by for the axial load. And then we can select the next stage, and then it will bring up the next part that we set, which will make sure that the axial load is held. Okay, that is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. This has been running a basic 1D consolidation test. Thank you.